When it comes to vegetable cooking oils, we commonly tend to use refined oils, thinking they are good for our health. However, refining the oils make them less nutritious and the impact of the oil on the body is quite damaging. Cold pressed oils are obtained from the oil seeds like groundnuts, mustard, safflower seeds, which are pressed with steady and moderate pressure without any heat treatment to extract oil. Also known as virgin oil, this oil is extracted using the traditional method by crushing the seeds at room temperature without applying heat. If the heat is applied, the natural nutrients get depleted. There are a lot of benefits of cold pressed oils, as they retain most of the antioxidants essential for good health and prevent chronic ailments. Cold pressed oils possess omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are good for your heart. Unlike refined oils, which use certain chemicals to make it look appealing, cold pressed oils are obtained only by crushing the seeds without applying any heat or using any chemical solvents. Cold pressed oils are best for cooking as they have high nutritional value and are a rich source of zinc and vitamins like A, B complex, D, E and K. The presence of antioxidants help reduce the cell damage in the body. It also has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. So many benefits, right? So what are you waiting for? Make a switch to cold press oils.